Welcome to our detailed comparison of the AMD Ryzen 7700X and the Ryzen 77800X3D processors. In this video, we will dive deep into the specifications, performance metrics, and user experiences of these two powerful CPUs. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, choosing the right processor can significantly impact your system's performance. Let's find out which one is the best fit for you. When it comes to performance, the AMD Ryzen 7700X boasts impressive clock speeds with a base clock of 4.5 GHz and a boost clock of up to 5.4 GHz, making it a strong contender for gaming and demanding workloads. On the other hand, the Ryzen 77800X3D, while having slightly lower clock speeds, incorporates AMD's innovative 3D V-cache technology, which significantly enhances gaming performance, especially in high-resolution scenarios. This makes the 7800X3D a better choice for gamers looking for the best performance in modern titles. In terms of pricing, the AMD Ryzen 77700X is priced at $399, making it a more affordable option for those on a budget. In contrast, the Ryzen 77800X3D comes at a premium price of $449. While the 7800X3D offers superior performance, the price difference may be a deciding factor for budget-conscious consumers. It's essential to weigh the performance benefits against the cost when making your decision. Cache size is another critical factor to consider. The Ryzen 7700X features an 80 MB cache, while the 7800X3D comes with an impressive 96 MB cache, thanks to its 3D V-cache technology. This larger cache allows the 7800X3D to handle more data quickly, resulting in better performance in gaming and multitasking scenarios. If you prioritize high-performance gaming, the additional cache in the 7800X3D could make a significant difference. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 7700X and the 7800X3D are excellent processors, each with its strengths. The 7700X offers high clock speeds and a lower price, making it a fantastic choice for budget-conscious gamers. However, if you seek the best gaming performance and are willing to invest a bit more, the 7800X3D with its 3D V-cache technology is the way to go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.